All right, now let's take a look at the top stories making headlines across India. Karnataka Assembly has passed a bill to enact an anti-hate speech law overriding opposition voices. The Karnataka Hate Speech and Crimes Act Prevention Bill 2025, introduced by Home Minister G. Parameshwara, makes hate speech and related offences punishable with jail terms. The BJP had opposed the bill, arguing that it violates the constitutional principle of freedom of expression. Explaining the bill's provisions, Home Minister said a first-time offence can attract up to 7 years in jail and a fine of up to 50,000 rupees, while repeated offences could lead to a jail term of 2 to 10 years and a fine of 1 lakh rupees. The offences are cognizable and non-bailable. Delhi's air quality has worsened to a severe level, prompting authorities to enforce strict pollution curbs and issue health advisories for residents. According to the Central Pollution Control Board's 6 a.m. data, Anand Vihar reports an AQI of 442, RK Puram 447, Dwarka Sector 8 429, Nehru Nagar 425, Patparganj 415, Munka and ITO 409 each, Wazirpur at 406 and both Jahangirpuri and Rohini at 401. Residents, particularly children, the elderly and those with respiratory conditions, are being urged to take precautions. Members of the Trinamool Congress are staging a 12-hour dharna outside Samvidhan Sadan in the Parliament complex, protesting the recently passed Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Bill, also known as the BBG Ramji Bill. The bill was passed in the Lok Sabha on December 18th and cleared by the Rajya Sabha early today, despite strong opposition and objections over the manner in which it was rushed. The upper house has now adjourned till afternoon. Addressing the protest, TMC MP Sagarika Ghosh described the passage of the bill as the second assassination of Mahatma Gandhi and called it a mark of disrespect to Rabindranath Tagore, who had conferred the title Mahatma on Gandhi.